Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Yesterday I have shown you that how to create a invoicing document, means how to book a invoice against a vendor code. Okay. Now today we will learn that how to release the payment against the book invoice, means making of payment. Today we will learn the process of payment. Okay. Let's start. All of us, before processing any payment of any account, we have to check first in the particular vendor code that what amount is standing as liability. Okay, so we have to check first in the vendor code of the particular vendor. The T code is FBL1N. Okay, yesterday we have created a invoicing in account of Dell India Private Limited. If you know, if you watched my earlier video, the vendor code was 400056. Company code, we have created a invoicing document against AON. So the company code is AON. You need to check the open item. Okay. Then click the open item and click execute. Or you can also press F8 button in your laptop. Okay. Now you can see that the total amount is outstanding is rupees 71,000. The amount is in credit position, in the mark of the mark is minus, so we have to pay. And yesterday we have created rupees 1,000, right? It all are testing vouchers. So today we will release, means we will make the payment of rupees that 1,000. Okay, you can see in a screen we will create a payment voucher against this invoice. Okay, let's go. So to create any payment voucher to any vendor, the T code is F-53. T code is F-53. Yeah, the display is open now. The system is asking document date. Document date is today's date, 23 August 2024. Type will always KZ. KZ, what represents KZ? You can also check by clicking this circle or press F1 button in your laptop. KZ, you need to search for KZ. Here you can see that KZ type is represent the vendor payment, and also we are making the vendor payment. Okay, I think this doubt is clear to all of you. Okay, KZ company code is will remain same. AON currency rate is Indian currency. Reference release of payment, document header test, payment voucher of test invoice. Okay, here you can see that bank data. You have to enter the bank data, means from which bank you want to make the payment. Okay, that code you have to enter here. Click F1 button or press this circle to search the bank list. Here you can see that GL is already here, bank account having GL number 1401, and it is also created in company code AON. This is the correct GL number that we have to take here from here. Okay, double click on it. Yeah, amount, as you seen in earlier screen, that we are going to make payment of this liability, means rupees 1,000, means you need to make payment of rupees 1,000. Okay, great. Value date will be today's date, 23rd August 2024. Business area, as yesterday I have cleared you that I am just showing you the testing process. Okay, I am just showing you the process of the financial documents. So still I didn't create any business area or cost center in this system, or you can say in this server. So this is not necessary right now, but you need to mention assignment, payment voucher, text, payment to Dell Private Limited. Okay, account, open item selection. You can see the detailed description what data you have to be entered. You have to enter open item selection, from in which account you want to clear the open item. You know very well that we have created a liability in account of Messrs Dell India Private Limited, and the account number is 430056. So you need to enter that code here also, 400056. Okay, then you need to click process open item, or you can also process this step by clicking shift plus F4 in your laptop. Okay, yeah, this 20,000 and 50,000 is also coming. You can see here also 20,000 and 50,000, but right now we are releasing the payment, we are making the payment voucher of that amount, means 1,000. So you need to deselect this 20 and this 50,000 rupees. This is unwanted amount. Yeah, now we are ready to release the payment. We have deselected those amount, those two amount, and selecting by keep selecting rupees 1,000. Now you can see the difference. Difference is zero, means you can post this transaction. By before posting this, click on document and click on simulate. Yeah, this entry is come to your screen. Bank account credit and party account debit, means bank will credit it to 1,000 rupees and the related parties account will be debited to 1,000 rupees. You can also see at the bottom, debit 1,000, credit 1,000, and difference is 0, means your entry is correct. Now you can save by clicking this post button, or you can also save this by clicking the control plus S button in your laptop. Here you can see the document number 15022 has already been posted in vendor account. You can also check this vendor account in by refreshing that account. You can see here that 1,000 is cleared, which was earlier as open item in Dell Private Limited's account. Hope all the queries is cleared by today's lesson. Okay, if you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe and comment please. Thank you very much guys. Thanks a lot.